If you're out of hand sanitizer, you can easily make your own at home using a few ingredients. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, any hand sanitizer you use should have an alcohol concentration of at least 60% or it may not be effective. Either rubbing alcohol or ethanol will work for homemade hand sanitizer. First, pour 2/3 cup, 160 milliliters, of 99% rubbing alcohol or ethanol into a large bowl. Then, add a 1/3 cup, 80 milliliters, of pure aloe vera gel. You can use vegetable glycerine instead of aloe vera gel if you'd like. Next, add 8 to 10 drops of essential oil if you'd like your hand sanitizer to have a nice smell. Consider using essential oils that have antibacterial properties like thyme, cinnamon, rosemary, and clove. Stir all of the ingredients together, then funnel your hand sanitizer into a clean plastic bottle with a pump or spray lid. Remember that washing your hands with soap and water is more effective than using hand sanitizer. Only use your hand sanitizer when you don't have access to soap and water, like when you're on the go.